Hey guys, yes, I know. It's one of those cheap, almighty Lakewood brace-bladed box fan wonders. Yeah, I just thought I'd film this just to show you guys that I have one of these, but also to show you a fault that I found out about this that wasn't mentioned on any of the videos of these before. Well, so let me show it off to you. It's got the usual stuff that we all know and hate. The flimsy blades with the brace fitted around them. The thin, flimsy cabinet. No holes on the side for a stand. The awful paint job with the pits and blemishes like this right there in it. No switch at the top. Mounted on the back, close to the motor. The small, skimpy little tin can motor that burns out. And the detachable boombox cord. Which there is one good side to it, that is if this fan burns out, you can have a cord for your radios, ones that don't have a cord. But here's what I found out. The screw holes on these, if you take the screws out and put them back in a number of times, they seem to round out or grow larger, making it kind of impossible for the screw to fully go in. Well, screw on this one, I think this screw here has gotten kind of loose now. Well, this is the one that's really had the problems after a while. While I was still at my dad's, the screw was still in there, but it was rather loose, and when I moved this thing from my dad's house to where I'm staying at now, when I bring it in, look what happens. The screw got lost. So now I am short a screw. And because this corner of the grill is loose, not careful, this foot right here will fall out. Especially if I bump it up against something. So, that shows you another fault that I found with these fans. Not even the standard Lascos, though worse than this for the most part, or as bad as this, or have that problem. So, that just shows you another fault with this fan. Now I think I'll just run it, just for the heck of it. Here's high. Because of that part of the grill being loose, and there being no screw, it kind of vibrates on startup, no matter what speed I use. There's the medium speed. And the low speed. So here it is. My El Cheapo POS Lakewood brace-bladed box fan. Thanks for watching, everybody, and good day to all.